Whether you're in a journalism field or not, all video is storytelling. Whether you're working on a story for news, a commercial piece, a promotional piece, or you're just running a YouTube channel. Video and storytelling go hand in hand. In order to captivate someone's attention, being a good storyteller is vital to the role.
My name's Lair. I graduated from Wichita State, the Elliott School of Communication in 2014. And I'm Creative Services Director at KAKE in Wichita, Kansas. I was born and raised in Wichita, went to Andover High School and graduated in 2010. So just moved right into Wichita State University and really loved it here immediately. It was a great vibe and landed at the Elliott School of Communication. I've been making music and stuff since I was about 15, and Elliott School of Communication had a lot of production type courses, and I felt that that really aligned with my interests and fell in love with everything that they had to offer. Classes like the Flint Hills Media Project and other classes that I took here at the Elliott School really helped me excel in my career early on because it showed what happens outside of the classroom. I got the training and skills that I need and the experience that I needed to really jumpstart my career.
And so we'll do a couple of takes of that. We'll do one.
So what we're trying to do now at KAKE is really solidify our spot in a new era of local media, because local media is still important. Local media is how you can keep your family safe during severe weather. Local media is how you know what's happening in your city hall. It's a great place to catch up on your high school team.
It's really important for us to continue the local media tradition, but we have to figure out how it fits into modern people's lives.
Can you feel the hype?
So ABC has the Super Bowl this year, which is something that hasn't happened in decades. And so it's a big opportunity for KAKE.
KAKE is your home for Monday Night Football on ABC starting September 8th.
We have all of these different programming opportunities that have fallen on our lap. And so what do we do with this? The planning starts now with marketing, promotions, making sure our sales team has everything they need. And so that's part of what we do as the Creative Services Department, is make sure that everything is in line and lockstep, and that every team on our staff has what they need in order to succeed. The learning that happens here at Wichita State doesn't happen in the classroom in a specific curriculum. It happens in real world experience. And that's what I got here at Wichita State. And that really did provide a great foundation for my career.